Hello everybody! As some of you may know, we recently celebrated World Turtle Day on May 23rd. We will learn about species that live near your home, how to tell the difference between a turtle and a tortoise, the importance of these terrific animals, and how we as humans can learn from and help them. Take a peek with me into the lives of our native and zoo turtles. This Boretz Box Turtle, native to Vietnam, is a species of turtle that is managed at our zoo through the Species Survival Program. Our zoo has one of the few breeding groups in the country, and this program gives us information to learn about these turtles and how we can help them in the wild. The St. Louis Box Turtle Project is a study that connects young people to the natural world by allowing zoo staff and students to track turtles in the woods of Forest Park and Little Creek Nature Area. This way, we can learn about how the turtles react to their environment and observe their movement while also keeping track of their health. For more information, check out St. Louis Box Turtles' Facebook page and blog post on the St. Louis Zoo's website. Box turtles are not the only turtles that are being tracked. Snapping turtles are studied as well. The zoo is interested in their movement through the water system, but animals that live in or near water like frogs, turtles, and fish can tell us how healthy the water is, how healthy the animals are, and ultimately, they can tell us how we can help. One thing all turtles and tortoises have, since they are reptiles, are scales, whether they are on their shell or on their body. Shells can be large, small, pointy, flat, colorful, and even soft or smooth. But the most important characteristic is that they are tough. Shells are part of the turtle's body and act like built-in armor. Both turtles and tortoises do not have teeth, so they use their mouth, or beak, to eat the wide variety of plants and animals in their diet. Turtles and tortoises can be hard to tell the difference of sometimes, and even some scientists have been confused about certain species. Most tortoises have large, dome-shaped shells. Think of like the St. Louis Arch. They have short, bowed legs and feet that look similar to an elephant's. They aren't as good of swimmers as turtles, but they do take advantage of the land by digging burrows and eating plants, even cacti. Turtles' shells are mostly flat, with webbed feet, long claws, or even flippers. This is because they spend most of their time in and around water, unlike a tortoise, so they eat plants and other animals like fish and worms. When I think of turtles, I usually imagine them moving pretty slow, kind of like the tortoise in the hare story. But with webbed feet and even flippers, they can be pretty fast on land. Like we said before, since they are reptiles, they also need to warm up their bodies in the sun. So you can usually find pond turtles basking on the bank or a log. One turtle that doesn't quite fit either category is the box turtle. They like to burrow like a tortoise, but also live near water like a turtle might. Box turtles' legs also have a slight bow or bend of their legs which resembles a tortoise, but has claws like a turtle. Which do you think it might be? Whichever it may be, Missouri's state reptile, the three-toed box turtle, gets its name because of its ability to pull all of its body parts inside of the shell and shut it closed very tightly with a hinge. This hinge that can be found on the bottom of its shell can protect the box turtle and all of its body parts, giving it the ability to blend in with its surroundings, almost looking like a rock on the ground. Now, you might be wondering, how can you help turtles from home? One way is just by letting them be. If you see a box turtle crossing the road, make sure to safely pick it up and bring it to the side it was traveling to. Box turtles do not make ideal pets and are much more fun to observe in the wild. In the wild is where they can find all they need to survive. They will eat wild mushrooms, strawberries, worms, and even dandelions. They even have the perfect spot during the winter, in a burrow underground. The Buy to Bags campaign, designed by teen volunteers, focuses on plastic and the negative effects it has on many animals. By switching over to reusable bags, you can help not only our zoo animals, but also other non-native turtles. Be on the lookout for a Buy to Bags table at a future zoo event, or take the pledge now at stlzoo.org/conservation/the-ocean-project. Turtles are great scavengers and eat things like dead fish to help clean up ponds, streams, rivers, and even the ocean. Some tortoises help keep other animals safe by giving them a home in the burrow that they dug. By eating fruits that have seeds in them, turtles then travel to another location, defecate, or poop, leaving seeds behind, and then these seeds have the possibility to grow. Thank you for watching and helping the zoo celebrate these important species.